Okay, I just picked up the truck to go pick up our tiny home trailer. Finally going to start. We've been preparing for a while, and now the trailer's here and we can start construction. We purchased our trailer from Iron Eagle Trailers, and they are a trailer manufacturer, and one of the types that they make is these tiny home trailers, where the frame, they actually have it's set inside where you can mount your subfloor to the in between the wheel wells, so it gives you a chance to optimize the space. I have always loved driving through forests because they're pretty, and mountains because I love rock climbing. Cliff's like that to a rock climber at its prime. It's good stuff.
And here he goes now for his backing in job. Backing a trailer in is being judged for the whole internet to see exactly how well can he do it. It is 24 feet, so it's gonna be quite the task. I could be there helping too, but someone needs to record this for posterity. Our neighbor's from Ukraine, so he doesn't know very much English, but he is very helpful. I'm pretty sure he's talking to Jeff in Russian, but he can't understand him.
Russian speak English. Very speak. More. Nice. Back. Yeah. More. Yeah. Very. Yes. Not too much. I need more today. A little bit this. A little more? No, this little bit short. Nice, very good. More. Very good. More. No. Yeah, very good.
Threading the needle here.
Right. You, right.
I should be back here to tell them where to stop. Did it. Here we go. 24 feet trailer. Foot trailer.
This is the first video that will document us and our efforts to build the tiny home. Stay tuned for lots more videos. We'll take you along on our efforts as we build this thing in our backyard. Please subscribe to see future videos. If you're also interested in more that we're doing, check out the link to our other channel called Hold the Walnuts, where you can see our efforts at growing food and making our own food from scratch. We'll see you on the next video.